Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. My name is Haillie Barber, and I'm going to be taking over Pure's IG story to do a little skincare routine and show you my favorite Pure products to use in the morning. The first item I'm going in with is the Pure Joystick. This is a deep pore exfoliating cleansing stick, and it's one of my favorites. I just put some warm water on my face, and then I'm going to go in and buff this into my skin. So once you're finished buffing it all into your skin, I like to take a little bit of warm water and just really buff it in even more with my hands. And then from here, I like to rinse it all off. It feels so good in the morning. So once our face is all clean and exfoliated, I'm going to go in with my cleanser. This is the Pure In the Clear Clarifying Cleanser, and we're just going to double cleanse. Pump of this into my hand. It's like beautiful color, matches my hair, and I'm just going to massage this into my skin. This will help wake up the skin even more in the morning. If that's all massaged into your skin, you're going to go back in with your warm water, and you're just going to rinse that off. Same thing. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Our next step is the Pure Get Bright Brightening Serum. It looks just like this. I'm just going to take two pumps into my hand, and I'm just going to rub this all over my skin, trying to be a little bit more delicate. Then we're going to go in with moisturizer. This one is the Soak It Up Moisturizer. This is my boyfriend's favorite moisturizer of all time. It is so hydrating. It feels so good on the skin, and it's great for like the winter months when you're especially dry. And then the last step is the Pure Firming Eye Cream. This stuff, oh my gosh, I love the applicator of this one. Because it does have this little thing, like this little metal thing to help rub it in so that you're not being too harsh or pulling on your eyes. So if you guys made it this far into the IG story, you can enter to win all of the products that I used on my face this morning. We got like a nice healthy glow action happening right now. So all you guys have to do to enter to win is be following me and Pure, and then you're going to leave this little water droplet emoji on both of our last Instagram pictures, and then we will pick 2 winners. Thank you guys so much for watching this IG takeover, and good luck on the giveaway. I will see you guys soon. Bye.